Welcome to the course on Spoken English. Hello everyone. I trust you are doing well. Welcome to the video on Module 2, Vocabulary Building. Upon completing this module, you will be able to recognize and recall vocabulary words, explain the meaning of vocabulary words, and construct sentences, paragraphs or essays using new vocabulary. In this video, let's learn about 10 vocabulary words used at home. I found a new recipe for chocolate cake that I want to try this weekend. A recipe is the instructions for cooking or preparing something to eat. Do we have all the ingredients for the pasta recipe? Ingredients are the individual components or substances used to make a particular dish, product or mixture. Let the sauce simmer for about 15 minutes to bring out the flavors. Simmer is a cooking technique where food is cooked in liquid at a temperature just below boiling. Let's make a list of groceries to buy for the week. Groceries are food items and other household goods bought from a store. I need to tidy up the living room before our guests arrive. Tidy up means to clean and organize a space. I have to declutter the kitchen. There are too many unused utensils. Declutter means to remove unnecessary or unwanted items from a space. We need to replace the bathroom fixtures. The faucet has a persistent leak. Fixtures are permanent or semi-permanent components installed in a room. This weekend, I'll be busy with chores like laundry and washing the dishes. Chores are jobs that are not interesting but that you must do. I have a few errands to run today, such as picking up the dry cleaning and going to the post office. Errands are short trips taken to accomplish specific tasks, usually of a routine nature. Our refrigerator is the most used appliance in the kitchen. An appliance is a device or equipment designed to perform a specific task, typically in the home or office. Remember, using these words in your daily activities will help you communicate more effectively and expand your vocabulary. Until we meet again, bye from Ria, take care and thank you. For any technical, non-technical, academic course developments and online classes, feel free to contact Alvin Design Technologies. The contact details are shown on the screen. Thank you.